Many of us are beginning to appreciate the convenience of working out at home. Iwas traffic, walang monthly fee, at pwede kang mag-workout kahit anong oras mo gusto. Ang problema, wala kang space, sobrang mahal ng gym equipment, at hindi mo alam kung anong dapat mong bilhin. Huwag kang mag-alala dahil in this video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 picks of home gym equipment na mura and space efficient. I-share ko rin sa inyo kung saan makakabili ng mura at high quality na gym equipments. Plus, bibigyan ko pa kayo ng discount code at the end of this video. Pero bago ko ibigay ang aking top 5 gym equipments, I just wanna point out that my workouts are performance-based. Meaning, I just wanna improve my strength, endurance, cardio, and all aspects of fitness. So if your goal is simply aesthetics, you may need items na wala dito sa aking list. Now all that's out of the way, let's begin. Of course, hindi mawawala ang dumbbells. Para sa akin, dumbbells ang pinaka-versatile na home gym equipment na pwede mong bilhin dahil sa dami-dami ng pwede mong gawin dito. At isa pa, pwede mo itong dalhin kahit saan mo gusto. Aside sa usual movements like shoulder press, dumbbell rows, and dumbbell deadlifts, ginagamit ko rin ang dumbbells for complex movements like snatch, clean and jerks, and devil's press, which I incorporate in my CrossFit workouts. Sobrang useful din ng dumbbells for unilateral movements that can help correct muscle imbalance, improve core strength, and improve muscle coordination. Kung bibili ka ng dumbbells, I recommend yung mga rubber-coated na hex dumbbells instead of the adjustable ones. Get something na relatively heavy para pwede mong gamitin sa functional exercises. Currently, ang dumbbell na gamit ko is 50 pounds. Pero kung bago ka pa sa functional training, pwedeng ang kunin mo muna is 35 pounds sa mga lalaki and 25 sa mga babae. Pero if wala ka pang experience sa pagbubuhat, I recommend getting 25 pounds sa lalaki and 15 pounds sa babae. Next on the list is a personal favorite of mine, kettlebells. Like the dumbbells, kettlebells are a very versatile home gym equipment. Ang reason kung bakit favorite ko ang kettlebells is because I think kettlebell swings is one of the most beneficial exercise that you can do for your overall fitness.
The swings are, I would argue that the swing is the most beneficial exercise anybody can do. Because you will, again, you're training power, you're training your fast fibers, you're developing mitochondria in the fast fibers, you are training your connective tissues, and you're getting your cardio as well. It's not focused on that, but you have that side effect.
And very low barrier to entry ito kasi sobrang daling gawin ng kettlebell swings. And if you build it into a CrossFit style WOD like the one I did in this video, which I will also link in the description below, kettlebell swings can be a very powerful, full body exercise na pwede mong gawin kahit nasan ka. Aside sa kettlebell swings, you can also do other powerful movements like a clean and jerk and snatch, as well as strength exercises like kettlebell rows and goblet squats. Pwede mo rin gamitin ang kettlebells for functional exercises like a suitcase and overhead carry. Ideally, dapat medyo mabigat yung kettlebell mo para effective siya sa kettlebell swings. Itong gamit ko is 32 kilograms, which is 70 pounds. Another item na very useful sa functional fitness is a plyometric box. A plyometric box is typically used to improve power by jumping on top of the box as forcefully as you can. But you can also use it as part of an intense Metcon exercise to help with your cardio. Aside sa box jumps, pwede rin itong gamitin as a tool to improve muscular endurance like doing step-ups or using it as a tool to improve your strength like doing box handstand push-ups. You can also use it to improve your core strength by doing step-ups while holding one dumbbell on the opposite arm. Pag pumili kayo ng box, I recommend yung wooden box na may 20, 24, and 30 inch na dimensions para adjustable siya and mas stable siya. I have provided links to all the equipments I've mentioned in the description below para hindi ka na mamili kung anong kukunin mo. Pero kung nasa Davao ka or nasa kalapit na city, hintayin mo at the end of this video because I will share with you kung saan kayo makakakuha ng mura at high quality gym equipments dito sa Davao. Item number 4 sa ating list is ang gymnastic rings. Now, gymnastic rings are primarily used for things like this. Pero, bago kayo ma-discourage, there are a lot of beginner-friendly functional movements na pwedeng gawin with a gymnastic ring. Examples nito ay ring rows, ring pull-ups, ring knee raises, at marami pang iba. Kung mahilig kayo sa CrossFit style workout, pwede nyo ring isama ang mga movements na ito sa inyong WOD or workout of the day. Kung pipili kayo ng rings, I recommend yung 32mm na diameter, tsaka yung wooden siya, para hindi madulas at hindi masakit sa kamay. Last but definitely not least, are weighted vests. Now, weighted vests are great in adding intensity in your workouts. Basically, kahit anong bodyweight exercises, pwede mong dagdagan ng weighted vest para mas maging mahirap yung workout. Personally, ginagamit ko ang weighted vest pang practice ng muscle ups at pang strengthen sa pull-ups. Ginagamit ko rin siya pang increase ng difficulty sa aking mga WODs. Meron ring CrossFit workouts na kailangan gamitan ng vest, kagaya ng Hero WOD na Murph na ginagawa in honor of Navy SEAL Lieutenant Michael Murphy. Ang Murph ay nagsisimula sa 1 mile run followed by 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 air squats at nagtatapos sa 1 mile run. Lahat ng ito ay gagawin with a 20-pound vest. Kung kukuha ka ng vest, I recommend yung military style na pwedeng lagyan ng plates para ma-adjust mo yung weight at maganda rin siyang tingnan. Alright, so these are my top 5 picks ng home gym equipments. Sa simula ng video, nangako ako na ituturo ko sa inyo kung saan kayo makakabili ng affordable at high quality gym equipments dito sa Davao. Pumunta kayo sa Garage Gym Supply sa Bangkal, Davao City. Nandito lahat ng kailangan nyo from plyometric boxes, hex dumbbells, kettlebells, ropes, bumper plates, Olympic barbells, sled, and even yung mga yoke na normally ginagamit lang sa strongman. Kung into machines ka or may plano kang magpatayo ng gym, they also have all kinds of machines and mga power racks. And as an ambassador, they have given me the privilege to give you a 5% discount by using my code NICO5. That's NICHO 5. I-mention nyo lang yung code sa manager kapag pumunta kayo ng Garage Gym Supply HQ. Pwede rin kayong umorder sa kanilang Facebook page kung hindi kayo makapunta. I will link their page in the description below. Alright, that's it for this video. Kung gusto mong mag-CrossFit pero hindi ka pa sigurado, check mo tong video na ginawa ko, which I will give you 5 reasons why you should do CrossFit. If you enjoyed this video, I'd highly appreciate if you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.